In this bonus episode, our special guest. She's been featured a number of times on our VisionQuest Sound advice blog, and recently has been releasing some really cool pop rock songs, like this one we're listening to right now, called Destination. Please welcome the Brazilian pop singer, REV.
For some people, staying home decreases their ability to concentrate and being productive. But with self-discipline, we can make the best of the quarantine. So here's our 5 stay-home hacks for creators. 1. Have goals. It's important during the self-isolation time that we still keep goals in mind. Even though we cannot go outside, there is still much we can do from our homes. Being productive helps to keep ourselves occupied and take our minds off from this unfortunate situation we're living right now. As simple as our goals may be, such as responding to emails, we have a satisfaction feeling after accomplishing them. To help achieve our goals and to avoid procrastination, it is important to write them on a planner with a work schedule. When you visualize them, it becomes easier to follow them on a daily basis. 2. Keep in touch with other creators. Just because we cannot see each other in person, it doesn't mean that we should not keep in touch. This is the perfect moment to connect with other artists and create content together. There are many ways to keep up with your fan base. Several creators at this moment are using tools such as live streams to collaborate with each other. Also, some musicians have been recording tracks and videos separated from their homes and putting them together as one full video. These are being called quarantine sessions. They are so easy to make. All it requires is a camera and a video editor, which you can find free options to download online. If you would like a more professional audio, you could also use a microphone and a DAW to record it. 3. Learn a new skill. We can and should use this extra free time to learn a new skill that can add to our professional careers. For example, if you are a producer, perhaps you could learn how to use a new DAW or explore new sounds. If you're a singer, maybe you can focus on learning an instrument or songwriting. This is a great time to study something that we are passionate about, but never had the time to do before. Podcasts offer a great way to learn new skills and stay focused. YouTube is an amazing tool to watch tutorials and classes, and some great universities are offering free online courses during self-isolation as well. So there is no excuse not to learn something new. 4. Exercise. Keeping up with a good routine of exercise is a great idea, not only during quarantine, but it's very important to maintain our bodies healthy because it has direct effect on our productivity and creativity. Even though all gyms are closed, you can still exercise from home. Some examples of workouts are mat Pilates and learning to dance with YouTube tutorials or games like Just Dance. Besides exercising our bodies, it's good to continue to work on our instruments as well, using this moment for improvement and really taking our time with the challenging aspects of it. 5. Self-care. As on number 4, we stress the importance of exercising for our productivity. Here, we will explore other ways to have a healthy body and mind. Self-care comes in many forms. Eating healthy and working out are the most important ones. In order to keep our mind sane, our body needs to be taken care of too. If you're working from home, you can schedule small 10-minute breaks every other hour to use this time for snacking, relaxing your mind, and calling your friends. Keeping communication with people outside of your household is essential at this time to stimulate your creativity. Besides that, it is nice to watch a movie or take a relaxing bath after work. But it is important not to feel guilty for taking time to yourself. Sometimes we work too hard and forget to treat ourselves. In summary, it is important to have goals, keep in touch with other creators, learn a new skill, exercise, and have self-care. Life is a wonderful gift that we are blessed with.